Welcome to the quick and easy tutorial where you learn Excel basics in just 10 minutes. Whether you are a beginner or need a quick refresher, this video will teach you the most essential skills to get started. Let's dive in and turn Excel from intimidating to empowering. When you open Excel, you're greeted by a grid of rows and columns, and each box is called a cell, and that's where your data goes. At the top, you have the ribbon which houses all the tools you'll need, like formatting, formulas, and the charts. Don't worry, it's simpler than it looks. If you go into the File tab, you can save and open the workbook, like in here. And here is a quick access toolbar where you can undo and redo and select any quick tools that you are going to use. You start doing your own projects. Now let's learn entering and formatting data. Let's try an example of our simple budget that we have in a month, like grocery, rent, or utilities. And we spend around like grocery, 2000 example, and 5000 rent, and utilities as 3000. Let's have this as our simple budget or on a monthly basis. Or you can use enter to go down and tab to go right. So here is a quick tip you can use like enter takes you to the next cell and tab takes you to the right. And if you want to make it look good and appealing to your eyes, you can use formatting by just selecting the cells and go to the home tab and click on bold to make it bold, italic to make it in italics. And if you want to format the numbers, you can use the dollar here. It it just makes it to look like the amount and adds two decimals to the right. And similarly, if you want to format these numbers to be a percentage, you can select the percent style here. And this is how you just enter the data and format in an Excel file. And here is a quick tip. To resize the columns, you can drag the edge of a column header. If you want to adjust them, make it autofit, you can just double click on the edge. And you can actually add the borders from here. This is a simple entering and formatting the data in Excel. Now, let's make Excel do the math for us. Start by typing equals into a cell to tell Excel that you're writing a formula. And then you can sum any two numbers this way. This, select a cell plus select another cell and then press enter and it just sums up. In Excel, you can do the sum using a function or a formula starting with the equal sign. You can just write sum and then select the range of cells that you want to sum and then just click enter. It just sums up the three numbers that we have for our simple budget. And similarly, you can write average formula and select the range of cells that you want to look at the average and then just click on enter. So if you see the sum of monthly budget is 10,000 and average of your monthly budget is 3,333. And similarly, we can do multiplication, subtraction, division, and go into the advanced functions as on when you go into the live projects. A quick tip. You can just copy the format of these cells by just going into the home and then selecting format painter and then selecting the format. And similarly, Another tip, you can drag the formula into the next cell, which copies the formula into the next cell and adds up this. You can just drag the formula into the next cell for that formula to reflect for other cells here. Sum of the budget of second person is 6,800 and average spend is about 2,266. Let's dive in deep. Excel isn't just about numbers, it's about visuals. Let's create some charts out of this monthly sales trend data that I have. So I just select the data and then click on insert and select the line chart so that it gives me the monthly trend of sales in a current year. And similarly, you can change and have the split of the yearly sales by selecting a pie chart. And similarly, if you want to see it in bars, you can just select 2D bar. So this is how Excel automatically creates a visual representation of your data, customized with colors, titles, labels to make it pop, so that you'll have a trendy new look of the data in a clear visual. Excel is packed with shortcuts to make your life faster. You can use Ctrl plus C command to copy the data and paste into the cell that you want by clicking on Ctrl plus V. And similarly, if you want to do an undo and redo of the stuff that you have entered into a cell, you can use Ctrl Z to undo and Ctrl plus Y to redo what you have done at the last moment. And if you want to apply filters directly to your data and filter on the sales, like suppose give me the month which has 4,000, then you can use Control plus Shift plus L to make it for you. And click on the filter and just select 4,000 here. And this is how the data gets filtered automatically for you. Experiment with these shortcuts and you'll navigate Excel like a pro. And that's it. You have just learned the basics of Excel in 10 minutes. With these skills, you can organize and analyze and visualize your data like a pro. If you found this helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment below your favorite Excel trick or what you want to learn next. See you in the next video.